Hello, I'm Matt and welcome back to Workshop. A lot of my leatherworking tools can only be sharpened with a leather strop. I've been using a scrap of leather, but I thought I'd make something a bit more permanent. So let's get started.
This is very much a utilitarian shop project, so I've just got a scrap piece of wood and a scrap piece of veg tan leather. All my leather tools need sharpening with a strop because they have curves, but I also want to get into carving some spoons, so it'd be useful for doing those as well. And I guess if I have it to hand, I will strop all my chisels and get them as sharp as possible. According to Matt Cremona, nothing works as well as horse butt, but this is all I have to hand and no horses were harmed in the making of this project. My idea was to have this so it could be mounted in a bench vise, so they'd be held nice and stable when I needed to use it, and then it'd be easy to pack away. I've just attached the top piece to the bit that goes in the vise with some screws and some wood glue. You're never going to see the screws because the leather is going to go over the top of them. As I say, this is only a shop project, so it's not the most sophisticated or beautiful thing ever. It just needs to work. You can get specialist leather glues that are quite expensive. Most of them are just PVAs, just like wood glue. So I'm giving it a go just using a normal wood glue. And if it comes off, well, I'll have to make another one. This is where once again my handy bit of railway line comes in. Every shop should have one. I left it in the vise overnight just to be sure it was dry. I'd left the leather deliberately long so I could trim it off afterwards. That's the last thing done. I said it was an easy project. I already had some polishing compound, so you just rub this onto the leather and then you can strop the tool, pulling it backwards against it. When you look at the back of the tool after you've done this, you can really see how polished the surface is. Time for a test. Like a hot knife through butter. I can see this coming in very handy. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.